My name is MD Hafizur Rahman Shahjahan Ali. My CUID is 117648881. Individual project realization, home security system, facial recognizer access control system. So I'm using a Huskyland camera module with Arduino Uno to do this facial recognizer access control system. Objective is to control the unauthorized entry to a home by locking system. So this lock will be controlled by Huskyland camera, which is a facial recognition function. Future is facial recognition when the people flash their face to this camera. If it is already enrolled register inside, then there will be a face ID detected and door will be open. If there is not registered ID or registered recognized face, if not recognized face, then this door will be remain locked. At the same time, buzzer alert will come up. So this also have a we can say a real-time alert system. So real-time alert system is like whenever flashing the face to this camera, but it's not recognized like unauthorized person, so it will be buzzer sound up. And this Huskyland AI camera actually very useful, user-friendly, useful. It's like quite simply can register the face. For this kind of access control, actually application is to even residential home security can use, smart home integration also can use. Future expansion, actually this can add in for the video surveillance camera, can add in motion detection, can add into this, or remote access control also can add it to this. For this project, actually I'm using Arduino Uno with microcontroller. The Arduino Uno serves as a main control board. Then on top of it, we add in Huskyland's AI camera, which is to detect the face, okay, to recognize the face. The real-time interface board, which is relay interface board, which is to control the lock, to power up the lock set, to cut off the power for the lock set. Then we're also using the solenoid, which is just now I said lock set. Lock set actually is the solenoid. I'm using this to demonstrate as lock set. Okay. Then I have using a 5-volt DC power adapter to power up the entire circuit. I'm also using an active buzzer module, which is actually here, which is sound up when the unauthorized face is recognized. Unauthorized face is flashed. Then I have using one silicon diode here to pass out the electromotive force to don't damage the circuit. Yeah, that's all about the component overview. There's a schematic. Actually, I have drawn based on my the wiring requirement, wiring circuit. So in this schematic, I have using a breadboard. I have using Arduino Uno. Then I have using buzzer. I have using Huskyland camera. I have using solenoid and relay module with the diode. Okay, this project actually I have two flowchart. So flowchart number one is to register the face. So register the face is like start. So the camera, we can use this to register the face to start. Then face, once the face registration, the flash data is given, then the data will be verified. Is it the data authentication, data compatible? If everything okay, save inside this Huskyland module the face. Okay. Then flowchart 2 is actually talking about the operational process of facial recognition access control. So from here, let's say we want to operate this door, so it will be starting a face. Once the face is flashed here, if it is recognized face, then door will be open. If it is not recognized face, buzzer will be activated. Then door will be remain as locked. We will be having a detail in video part 2 for the demonstrate. So from here, the learning outcome is I have gathered knowledge like how to do an AI integration, especially when I'm doing this Huskyland camera integration with this Arduino Uno, and also the access control system that explored my idea, the authentication mechanism using the facial recognition. And also Arduino Uno, the component interfacing. I learned how to component interface, like I'm doing initial stage. I'm doing Arduino testing itself, like a component test. So I'm using LED light, doing a simple coding to do a LED light flickering. Then I also learning how to do a circuit diagram, like I'm doing the schematic. From here I learned how to use the Proteus software to doing this schematic. Then from this project also, I strongly encourage my knowledge to do a project planning, project execution, then maintain the time, all these things. At the same time, also learning security and home automation. From my previous phase of project, IPP, do a lot of research, a lot of planning, a lot of findings to learn this, to come to this stage. So along this period, actually a lot of problems also I'm facing. So the problem solving skill actually also improved from this project. Like I'm facing some problem during the searching, I cannot find this and that. I learned from my teacher how to search, how to recharge. Okay, then during this project execution, I also facing a lot of problem with integration, wiring circuit, and also like software coding, all these things. So day by day, I'm talking to my teacher, Mr. Lalit, and learning from him, using his guidance to solving a lot of things. From there, overall, actually I'm gathering a lot of knowledge to see how to break down the problem, like elaborate to small piece by piece, then analyze from there, refining from there, then do a part by part testing, do a part by part demonstrate to solve the problem. So I'm solving a problem by this manner. In conclusion, actually I can say for this project, the home security system facial recognition access control system is actually a showcase of powerful recognition technology in ensuring secure access to residential premises by combining Huskyland camera module and Arduino. This solution provides a user-friendly, intelligent, and reliable access control system with a wide range of application and potential for the expansion. So actually there's a lot of things to talk, but there's a video limit, not more than 10 minutes, so I try to make 2 videos in one. So I will go back to the original prototype demonstration. So for prototype demonstration, I should say that is my fiber adapter. Yeah, this fiber adapter. Okay. So I already on power off. So the connector is connecting here. The voltage is linked up from here. So my positive is brown color cable, negative is blue color cable, So this is my solenoid, this is my buzzer, this is my relay interface board, this is Arduino Uno, this is Husqvarna camera. So I have already registered a photo to shorten the video. So a register process I already done. So here I have selected two photo. Okay, so one of the photo is recognized, which is showing in this camera is face ID 1, and unauthorized photo, that unrecognized photo, which is will be showing as face only, there is no ID. So my program writes such a way that when is face ID more than 0, then is recognized. When face ID is 0 or less than that, that will be unrecognized, which is I just write as face. Okay, so this I'm taking unauthorized face first. So this face is considered unauthorized. So when this is unauthorized face is detected, here you can see there is a face, only write as face. Okay, so there is no 1 or 0 or anything. Okay, so the buzzer is keep on sounding because its unauthorized face is recognized, and the door is locked. You can see the solenoid is lock position. Okay, so if I remove the camera from the face, the buzzer will be stopped. So if I flash again, the buzzer will be come back, but the door still remain locked because it's not recognized face. So same thing, if I now choose the recognized face, so this face is considered recognized face. So if I choose this, and if I flash to the camera, the Husqvarna AI camera, you can see here the solenoid will be back to open. Okay, you can see here the solenoid will be come back to open, and then there will be no buzzer. Okay, you can see there is a door open, and here is the face ID 1. Okay, the door is open. Okay, the face ID is 1, door is open. So that means my program is functioning well. Okay, door is open. So if I remove the camera from here, after the time delay, it will be locked back. You can see now it's locked back.